Meet the Topo DL110 Fingerprint Smart Door Lock, the smarter, safer way to secure your home. Unlock in 6 different ways with the Topo app, your fingerprint, Bluetooth, keypad, smart assistant, or backup keys. Enjoy rapid fingerprint recognition, storing up to 100 prints, plus a 1-year battery life with easy USB-C charging. Stay connected with Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings for simple voice control. Add security with peek-proof passcodes, auto lockout after failed attempts, and real-time alerts, all backed by a detailed activity log. It even includes a built-in doorbell. Installs in minutes with tools provided, and is IP65 rated to handle dust, rain, and extreme weather. The Topo DL110, smart, secure, and built for modern living.